I don't know if that was rolling. It was a summer day and I was all in white and the boys got like a big bin filled with water, all came up behind me and dunked me with water, which was horrible because I went see-through. Oh my goodness. My first boy kiss was on Spin the Bottle, and I thought I was being really demure because I didn't want to kiss a boy in front of everyone, so I was like, no, we're gonna go in the cupboard. So I kissed him in the cupboard because I thought that was like a classier choice. It wasn't. He was called Rick. Hi, if you're watching. What cheese do you use to lure a bear out of a cave? Come on, bear. The funky chicken? That was my funky chicken. Oh, daily. Probably this morning. I'd probably fly around on it a lot. Freak people out, maybe. Roast my own chickens. I think I would call my dragon Bob. Yes, definitely, definitely. They need to be frightened. That's a mean question because it's killing someone. I'd rather not say. Maybe an ex-boyfriend, maybe.